the half tens plus 1. Set facts. So what's half of 10? You got it, it's 5. Plus 1 more. Hey, guess what? You get 6. So we have a factor of 6. Okay, let's see what happens to multiply any number by 6. There you have it. Multiply it by 5. Okay. And then add 1 more set of that number. All right, well, okay. Let's try. Let's go forth and try 6 times 4. All righty. We want to figure out that fact. Let's see. Well, it's a factor of 6, so I know I can use this strategy. So let's go forth and try it. It says multiply it by 5. Okay, so let's take that factor of 4 and let's multiply it by 5. Okay, so I'm going to, instead of doing 6 times 4, I'm going to do 5 times 4. Yeah? Okay. I'm going to do 5 times 4. Is that it? No. And then add 1 more set of that number. Oh, so I have to do this first. And then I add on 1 more set of that number. There we go. And that should give me my answer, my product. Okay, well, let's see it in a picture. So I'm going to outline it 6 rows by 4 columns. So I have my 6 by 4 columns. Okay. I've outlined that. Got it ready. Is yours ready? Now, what do we have to look at first? It says we need to look at the 5 rows by 4 columns first. 5 by 4. 5 rows of 4. 5 groups of 4. So 5 rows of 4. Here is 1 row of 4. 2 rows of 4. 3, 4, 5 rows of 4. So we need to see that first. And then, how many did we get here? You have a number yet? Okay, let's put it over here. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus, it says to add on 4 more. Do you see why in the picture? Do you see those 4? Here's our 20. And then we have the 4 more. Awesome. And we are at our product of 24. Cha-ching. Okay, we're going to try 1 more. Let's go forth and try 8 times 6. This is a great one. This is a famous fact. It really is. There is our 6, our factor of 6. Yes! So, how are we going to do this using this strategy? We're going to multiply it by 5. Oh, so I take it, that 8, and instead of doing 8 times 6, I'm going to do 8 times 5. But then I'm not done. I'm going to do that first, and then add 1 more set of that number. Oh, add 1 more set of it. So, of that 8. And then I'll get my product. So, let's see the picture. I have, what am I going to outline? 8 rows. So, I have my 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have my 6 columns. Get that all outlined. And remember, we're not going to shade it in yet. We're going to strategically shade it so we see. our groups. So let's look in our array and let's find our 8 rows by 5 columns. Well, this is our 8 rows by 5 columns. Oh, yeah. So I have 8 groups of 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 8 groups of them. What is that going to give you? You got it? You got the number? 40. And then it says plus 8 more. Do you see that 8 more in our picture? Can you spot it easily? Yeah, it's right here. We didn't shade it in, huh? That's so you can spot it. There's the 8. And 40 plus 8 gives us our famous product of 48.